Okay, so we will discuss today how to add and subtract rational algebraic expressions with unlike denominators. Ibig sabihin, magkaiba ng denominators. Okay, now this is little bit complicated kaysa doon sa like denominators. Okay? Now, let's say for example, number 1, let's say our example is 5x over 3 plus, let's say 2x over 5. Okay? So, as you can see, we have the denominators 3 and 5. Magkaiba sila ng denominators. So, what we're going to do is, ang goal natin, kailangan magkaparehas sila ng denominators. Okay? Now, how to do this? Maraming paraan ng pag-simplify or pag-add or subtract na magkaiba ng denominators. Merong find the LCD or meron ding formula, but this is another option. Ano? So, ang goal natin dito, kailangan magkaparehas sila ng denominators para mas madaling mag-add. So, what we're going to do is we multiply dito sa ating first rational algebraic expression sa numerator at denominator ng the same number. Okay? So, ang i-multiply ko dyan ay 5 over 5. Then, sa kabila naman, sa 2x over 5, magmo-multiply din ako ng number na the same yung numerator tsaka denominator. Ang i-multiply ko dyan ay 3. Okay? Bakit 5 ang minultiply ko sa first rational algebraic expression at 3 sa pangalawa? Kasi, tingnan mo, what is 3 times 5? That's 15. What is 5 times 3? That is also 15. So, kapag ganun, we have now the same denominator. Okay? So, mag-iisip ka ng number. Para na i-multiply mo, dapat yung number na i-multiply mo ay the same yung numerator tsaka the same sa denominator. Kasi remember, let's say we have 3 over 3 that is equal to 1. 5 over 5 that's equal to 1. Kahit anong number, okay, or quantities na i-multiply sa 1, equal pa rin yan. So, dapat parehas ng number. Hindi pwedeng magkaiba ng number ang i-multiply mo or sa numerator or denominator. Okay? So now, we have to multiply 5x times 5, that's 25x, over 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? Plus 2x times 3, that's 6x, over 5 times 3, that's 15. So we have now the same denominators. So, you simply copy the common denominator and add the numerators. Okay? Susulat muna natin, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Okay? Now, 25x plus 6x, that's 31x over 15. Now, yung 31 ba and 15, pwede pang in-simplify into lowest term. I think wala na tayo pwedeng i-divide dyan, no? Maliban sa 1. So, this is now our answer. Okay? Now, let's have another one. Let's have number 2. Let's say we have x minus 3 over 4. Subtraction naman. Let's say x plus 2 over 3. So, dito, isipin mo, ano kaya ang i-multiply ko dito sa first rational algebraic expression, ganun din sa pangalawa. So, ang i-multiply ko dito ay 3 over 3. Then, sa kabila naman, i-multiply ko ay 4 over 4. Kasi, 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 4 is also 12. Diba? So, I have to make this parenthesis. Okay? Para hindi ka malito. Okay, now, multiply the numerators. So, what is x times 3 or 3 times x? That's 3x. And 3 times 3, that's 9. So, minus 9 over, that's 12, diba? Minus, and this is 4x, okay? And this is positive 8 over 12. So, kung mapapansin mo, parehas na sila na denominators. So, we have to copy the common denominator, 12. Then you copy 3x minus 9 minus, okay, remember that this is subtraction. Okay? So, change the sign yung nasa loob. So, magiging minus 4x minus 8. Okay? Now, combine like terms. Pagsamahin natin lahat ng may x. So, 3x minus 4x. Then, pagsamahin yung walang variable. Yan. Over 12. Okay. Now, 3x minus 4x. This is negative x. Okay? Since malaki itong 4. Then, tandaan, ito, kapag makita ka ng ganyan, you add the numbers, then your sign is minus. So, that's 17 over 12. Okay? Now, yung negative x minus 17, meron pa bang factor yan? Well, actually, pwede mong ilabas yung negative dyan, no? Para maging positive itong x. Pero I think okay na rin yan. Okay? This is now our answer. Okay? Now, let's have number 3. Let's say our answer, our given is 4 over x plus 2 plus, palagyan ko muna ng space. Let's say plus 5 over x minus 2. Okay? Now, ang gawin natin dito, tingnan mo tong x plus 2, meron bang factor? I think wala na, no? Itong x minus 2, wala ring factor. So, ang i-multiply natin sa ating first rational algebraic expression ay x minus 2 over x minus 2. Ganon din, sa kabila, ang i-multiply naman natin ay x plus 2. Okay? Bakit x plus 2 sa kabila? Kasi, pag minultiply natin itong dalawang ito, equal yan dito sa kabila. Diba? Although magkaiba sila ng kasunod-sunod, anyway, this is multiplication. The same lang ang magiging sagot dyan. So, we have now the same denominators. So, we have to multiply the numerators. What is 4 times x? That's 4x. 4 times 2 is 8. Copy minus. Okay. Plus. Wala tayong babaguhin na sign since ito ay positive or plus. So that's 5x. And this is plus 10. Okay. Now remember that x plus 2 times x minus 2 or x minus 2 times x plus 2 is x squared minus 4. Diba? Equal lang yan sila. Okay, now, combine like terms. Pagsamahin natin yung may x. Okay. Then, pagsamahin naman natin yung walang x, yung walang variables. Okay, so we have x squared minus 4. Now, what is 4x plus 5x? That's 9x. And what is negative 8 plus 10? That's plus 2, no? Or positive 2 over x squared minus 4. Ngayon, may factor pa ba ang 9x plus 2? May common factor ba yan? I think wala na, no? Pero kung may factor pa itong 9x plus 2, you have to factor kung meron ka pang pwedeng i-cancel sa denominator. Okay? Pero kung, let's say for example, itong x squared minus 4, ang factor niyan ay x plus 2, x minus 2. Okay? So, hindi na natin kailangan i-factor ito kasi kahit i-factor natin yan, wala tayong makakancel sa taas. So, ibig sabihin, this is now our answer. Okay? Now, let's have another one. let's have this one. That's x over x squared plus 9x plus 20 minus, let's say, 4 over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Okay. So, kapag ganito ang ating denominators, meron kasing factors iyan di ba? Yung ating x squared plus 9x plus 20, merong factor yan. Ano ang factor niyan? I think mas maganda sa baba natin ilagay, no? Ang factor ng x squared plus 9x plus 20, this is a general trinomial. So, we have x. Ano yung numbers na pag ita-times natin 20, pag ipa-plus ay 9? That's 4, tsaka 5, di ba? 4 times 5 is 20, 4 plus 5 is 9, okay? Copy x. Now, minus, ano naman ang factors ng x squared plus 7x plus 12? That is x plus 4 tsaka x plus 3. Kasi 4 times 3 is 12, 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay? Now, tingnan mo mabuti. Yung ating first set ng denominators ay x plus 4x plus 5. Yung pangalawang set naman ay x plus 4x plus 3. Okay. Ano kaya ang i-multiply natin sa first rational algebraic expression? Ano ba ang meron sa pangalawang set ng denominators na wala dito sa first set of denominators? That is x plus 3. So, ang i-multiply natin dito ay x plus 3. Okay? Now, sa kabila naman, ano naman ang i-multiply natin para magkaparehas tayo, para magkaparehas tayo ng denominators? I think ang i-multiply natin dyan ay x plus 5 over x plus 5. Kasi yung x plus 5 nandito sa first set ng denominators at wala siya dito. So kung mapapansin mo, parehas na sila ng denominators. Although hindi ito magkasunod, itong x plus 2x, x plus 5, pero kapag multiplication, they are the same. Okay? So we have now the same denominators. Okay, now, we have to copy the common denominator, x plus 4 over x plus 5, x plus 3. Anyway, kahit anong mauna dito sa x plus 3, x plus 5, it doesn't matter, no? Then, we have to distribute this. Yan ay x squared plus 3x. Okay? Okay, this will become minus 4x. Okay, isama na natin to, no? Babaguhin na natin yung sign niya. That will become minus 20. Now, combine like terms. X squared, wala naman siyang kasamang may squared. Isa lang siya, yung copy. Itong 3x minus 4x is equal to negative x minus 20. Okay? Then copy x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 3. Now, hindi pa tayo tapos dito. Kasi, ang x squared minus x minus 20, merong pang factors yan. Ano ang factors niyan? Okay? So, we have x. Okay. Ano ang factors ng negative 20 na pag ipa-plus ay negative 1? That's negative 5 tsaka positive 4. Okay? Kasi negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Negative 5 plus 4, that's negative 1. Kasi merong 1 dito sa x no? Then we copy the denominator na x plus 4, x plus 5, and x plus 3. Okay, now, cancel out the common factor. Itong x plus 4, x plus 4. Okay? So, wala na tayong space. Akyat natin dito sa taas. Ano? Okay, so, natira na lang sa taas ay x minus 5 over, ang natira sa baba ay x plus 5 and x plus 3. Hindi mo pwedeng i-cancel out yung x minus 5, x plus 5, magkaiba yan. Or you can actually multiply yung x plus 5 tsaka x plus 3. But I think it's okay, no? Okay na ito. Pero kung sinabi sa instruction that your answers must be in expanded form, kailangan mong i-multiply. Pero kung wala naman nakalagay, okay na yan. So our answer is x minus 5 over x plus 5 times x plus 3.